Alrighty guys, what's going on? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz, and in today's video we're going to be going to a car show in Ironwood, Michigan. So it's like right on the border of Wisconsin and Michigan, in the UP. So but yeah, definitely we got to meet up with Aaron here in about 15 minutes. So we're going to jet off, meet up with him, and then we'll head out. Alright, check in with you guys when Aaron rolls up. Alrighty, so met up with Aaron. He's ready to go. There he is. So we'll head off to Ironwood and we'll see you there. So, we got set up. Aaron's putting sunscreen on. He doesn't want to burn. Set up. Kind of in the little corner. Kick off here. I got the main drag kind of up there. We'll walk it. We got a little bit of music playing, but it's a live band, so I don't know how that'll work on copyright stuff, but car and truck is looking good.
It's easy.
So that tire shine, that's the flat stuff. Yeah, that's good stuff. Flat tire shine. Your doppelganger was talking about that from Grio's.
Yeah.
The flat tire shine looks good though. Alrighty, we'll walk around here in a little bit. Alrighty, so we're gonna just walk the car show. We're just gonna talk about some cars and kind of go through and show you what's here. We've already walked it once before, so kind of know what's going on here. So, yeah, no doubt. Jeez. If anything stands out to you, let them know.
Yep.
So this is interesting. This is a Pontiac. It was pulled out of a field. That's the original. And he just got it up and running, bullet holes and everything. It's pretty sweet. Look at the bug shield on this thing. That is
Deflective shield.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Deflective shield. That is sweet.
Some time spent bench driving that.
Oh yeah. Jeez. Yep. This thing. That's it right there. Little K10, red cab, short box. It's got a 305 in it, dude. Nice. Doesn't even have it's a 305 truck. That's pretty sweet. 63,000 original miles on that thing. I got this. We were just talking about this one.
Yeah.
And it's like biggest compromise ever.
Yeah.
You know? It's like, you can build it, honey, but I get to pick the color.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get fucking demonetized here. Holy jeez. But yeah, got a Miata, got a 3rd gen Firebird. I've seen this guy at a lot of car shows around the area. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Weird.
Huh.
This is kind of an interesting truck. Pretty crazy. I got a Chevrolet Tri-5 wagon, a Nova, and then I got an Etzel. There was a Ford dealer here that still had Etzel parts on the shelf back in like the early 2000s. Probably for this car, the guy just never picked them up. Then we got your twin?
Yeah, twin.
96 F-150 and
4x4.
4x4. Don't know what engine's in it though. I got a Ranchero. And we got a custom dent side F-150 Ranger.
Yep.
This truck.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice. It's like the perfect like Pawpaw truck.
But it did, I didn't have, I haven't gotten a hold of these guys.
The Mustang 5.0. 92. I got a Chevelle SS. Pretty nice stuff.
Last year we brought it here, all it was the frame. The frame, the wheels and the tires, and the motor and the transmission. We pushed it out from here, we got it.
Little patina job there.
Like that. Next year we
C10 manual.
oh yeah. And him and his dad came to
Aaron likes this one
Yep.
because it's got power steering. Nice. This one though. This is just gorgeous. Pretty good. Little Stingray vet. C3. Oh, Rat Rod Ford. No. Yes. Rat Rod Ford. Chevrolet engine. With Henry Ford be like rolling over in his grave. So we got some Corvettes here. I would imagine the same guy owns all of these ones, right?
Yep.
So fiberglass. That's pretty nice though. Yeah. Plymouth GTX with the Super Commando 440. It's a 4-speed car. Originally bought in Ironwood. Yeah. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
It's probably a $100,000 car now, huh? Yeah. There's an original window sticker bought at Bessemer, Michigan. So it's like 5 miles down the road. This thing was bought brand new for that much. The original check, wrote $3,600 check for it.
Yeah.
And took her home. 4-speed, 440 car. There's the options list. White streak tires.
Got $282 off.
Yep. That sounds like a bargain to me.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, newer Camaro, Saturn Sky. Those are pretty interesting cars. We got a Ford Roadster, or Ford Coupe. Mustang GT, all done up. Now this is our buddy.
There you go. Yeah. Start selling tickets for that horsey ride right there.
That's a big dog. Holy jeez. Look at that thing. That's a big puppy. What would Jay do around dog that big?
You wouldn't know about it.
He would. Pretty cool. We got a Dodge Dakota convertible truck. Sport. We got a Plymouth. Now that's just hanging outside. We were gawking at that truck earlier. It's really clean. We got a Mustang GT 5.0 stick car.
Yep.
Vert. Pretty neat. Then there's Aaron's truck.
Yeah. 5-liters are the worst.
Oh man, some of the comments you hear when you're at a car show, it's perfect. But there's my car. You already know that one. Chris?
Yeah.
Just kidding.
old Ford coupe, you know, because I remember I had this.
It's pretty cool.
There was a guy that was running that tradition place that he lived in.
76 Camaro. Pretty nice. This was the car that was revving earlier that was louder than anything else. That was pretty loud. First generation Firebird, 68 model. We got a Ford Torino? No. What is it? That's it. Pretty nice. Got a nice Plymouth Sport Fury.
They were very efficient.
Nice little green Mustang.
I might act like a child.
A nice little Camaro. Look how little this engine is. It's so teeny. Like, it's almost like you just lift it up.
The battery's as big as the engine.
It's cool though. You drive that?
Sure.
Sure. New daily driver? No. Then this. That's where it's at.
The black on black interior.
Mm-hmm. Ford Galaxy. That's so nice. Interior's pretty freaking cool. The diamond stitch and the paint's perfect on this thing.
Has this thing been sitting a while? Oh, so you bought it kind of like
Oh yeah, do it.
And we got a Tom's Toy Hauler. Pretty cool. It's got a sleeper on it. Yeah. Alright. Love this Oldsmobile every time I see it. Pretty nice. Vet.
Yep.
The last good looking vet.
Yeah.
Oh, these are nice though. And then we got the Cobra.
Yeah.
Cobra front bumper. But I wish the sun was out a little bit more. It's got a pearl in this paint that Aaron was pointing out. I don't know if we can see it right now, but
A pink pearl.
it's like a, yeah. Pretty cool, but there's no sun right now, so.
Thanks, Canada.
Yeah. Thanks, Canada. But.
Who's next to this one that busted her head open?
Oh, that's right. This is the car.
Oh, the car and everything.
Yeah, she fell over right in front of it. Wasn't it hot that day, or? Yeah. Nice old Buick. Creepy doll in the back. There's a creepy doll in the back of there.
Ooh. Okay.
This is pretty cool. The Model A truck, the matching trailer and matching go-kart. It's pretty cool. All functional. It's a big car. Aaron's just like, oh, where are you going? Another nice Oldsmobile. I've always liked these G bodies, especially in the Oldsmobile form. We got a convertible Mustang.
Yeah, she was out.
He turned her own.
What's in Heidi?
Get you guys later.
This Mustang's pretty nice. Oh, at 289, that was a dog.
Yeah.
Yes. Deuce and a quarter. This thing is huge. Look at the quarter panels on this thing. And then the front fender. It's like... Can you imagine painting a whole side of this car?
Yeah.
Be insane.
Barely fit in the booth.
Yeah. Longer than a crew cab 8-foot box pickup almost. Maybe not that long, but it's big. Buick Electra Deuce and a quarter. Yes. I am too, yeah. Love the... Is this Ford pickup here earlier?
Oh, not the first time, but the second time.
Was it? Okay. Crossfire.
Is Crossfire the only thing that's hated more than TPI?
Yes.
Okay.
It's even worse. It's way worse. Here's TPI. Here's Crossfire up there.
Yeah. He hasn't got plumbing in it. He's all hooked up yet.
That's because it hasn't broke yet.
Yeah.
Cut the exhaust off. So as soon as you crack that open, it's ridiculous. But I had to wind up the windows and get. But I'm thinking
This guy's name. John.
Yeah.
That's the guy's name. I couldn't. He used to work with us at Ford, and I couldn't remember his name. John. 351. 4 valve. Oh, mask hair.
Yeah.
Got a gear leak back. Perfect. Shoot, I think my car's got more oil on the ground than these tractors do right now. Oops. This is interesting. Cool. Aged iron. Look at that. Well, that puddle's getting nice and big.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. got like the perfect patina look to it, doesn't it?
No rock, but just
Like even the door pan. Look at
yeah.
it's so cool.
He's original.
Do you think the speedometer still works?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, he says.
1953.
I don't know if the gas gauge works anymore though.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool though. Yeah. No rod, just patina.
It's a long box on there. It's gotta be 8 foot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, isn't those? No. Alright. So this truck, we walked around earlier and we're trying to figure out if it was frame swapped or not. And I'm gonna let you guys be the judge because I don't think older frames look like this. What do you think?
I have no idea.
It's hard to tell. I think it's just body swapped. I don't know. It's hard, it's tough. 'Cause it's like I don't know. But it's a 7.3 IDI swapped. 78 F250. Pretty cool. I think I don't know if it's been body swapped or if it's just, I don't know. That's what the frames look like. But looks cool. Alrighty. The guy says he daily drives this thing. Cummins stick shift. Says he takes it out on the trails. We were listening to him earlier, but pretty interesting. It's all bed lined. A lot of work into this one. Just nice little C10. And then there's this one. LS swapped. Pretty nice. We got a Bronco here. Stick shift 302. Real nice. We got a military spec Blazer. All the goodies in the back.
Oh, absolutely. Well, it's gone.
Yeah. Another Super Commando. Yep. Pretty sweet. Newer style Hemi. Sport Fury. Bear with me, there's a lot of people here. This thing though. This was also purchased This is bought in Ironwood, right? Or down in Beswick. Go Gibbick. Ironwood.
Ironwood, yeah.
So this was bought new in Ironwood. And it's still here. Looking really good. I guess they restored it, but looks perfect. Look at that. 463 Pontiac engine. That's cool. Wow. International. We got a Firebird Trans Am here. Pretty good. T8 vet. Mach 1 Mustang auto car, 4-valve, 4.6. Looking pretty good. Yeah, that's nice. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, that interior.
Oh. Wow. T56 swapped. It's crazy. It's for sale. These are all Buick.
What do you like about it? I used to skate on your rather sister for a few months.
Grand National.
No, I think one of the Cubs games, I used to always every game used to go on my bike.
Some epic music going on that we don't need to hear. 3 on the tree. Oh, we forgot the Corvette. Well. 4-speed car. That's pretty much about it. Had a couple bikes over here, but pretty much made our way through. Yep, that's about it. So what do you think?
Pretty good.
It's 140?
129.
129. I see 102. I mean, yeah, it's like 100 and some. I'd imagine a couple stragglers came in here and there, but
Yeah.
129 is what we got. Pretty early count, and then as the day goes on, it gets better and better. And it's a nice little show. It's not huge. It's not too small. You know, it's like that right, kind of that right size. You know.
Yep.
So. That was pretty loud.
That's pretty loud.
So they're doing a competition to see who's the loudest, and I think that's the loudest one so far. It's pretty crazy. How do you even go after that? You don't.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah. Alrighty. So car show's done. Getting out of here. Pull your Marty report, huh?
Oh yeah.
Gonna load her up and get the heck out of here, but I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel, and check you guys on the next one.